this session. Okay. So hi guys, is it audible? Just let me know through chat.
Yes sir, yes sir. No issue sir.
Okay. Okay. So first I'll go with on-page SEO and then off-page SEO. On-page SEO, as I told you, technical factors involved in this on-page SEO. So without having the admin access, you can't get the on-page SEO for the website. So whereas for off-page SEO, just we need to create the backlinks here. Okay. So backlinks create chese saripotundi. We don't want to do anything here. And there are two types of backlinks are there. One is do follow link and next one is no follow link. As I told you, do follow link will give huge impact on SEO page ranking, whereas no follow link won't give that much impact on SEO page ranking. But manaku both do follow and no follow rendu important. మరి ఇక్కడ backlinks అంటే as I told you, వేరే వాళ్ళ వెబ్సైట్ నుంచి హైపర్ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేసి మన వెబ్సైట్ కి వస్తే దాన్ని బ్యాక్ లింక్ అంటారు అనమాట. ఓకే, జస్ట్ చెక్ హియర్, గో టు ఉబర్ సజెస్ట్ అండ్ ఐల్ షో యూ ఫర్ వన్ వెబ్సైట్. Check here, go to naukri.com and then search here. So మనకు ఆన్ పేజ్ SEO ఆఫ్ పేజ్ SEO చేసిన తర్వాతే వాట్ ఎవర్ యూఆర్ సర్చింగ్ ఇన్ గూగుల్ మన వెబ్సైట్ ని టాప్ మోస్ట్ పొజిషన్ కి తీసుకురాగలం అనమాట. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు మేక్ యువర్ వెబ్సైట్ టు కమ్ ఇన్ టాప్ మోస్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ గూగుల్, దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ బోత్ ఆన్ పేజ్ SEO అండ్ ఆఫ్ పేజ్ SEO ఫర్ ద వెబ్సైట్. ఓకే, అందరూ కూడా SEO అంటే ఓన్లీ వెబ్సైట్ కి ఉంటాయి అనుకుంటారండి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. SEO is there for all the things. SEO అనేది వెబ్సైట్ కి ఉంటుంది. SEO మన యూట్యూబ్, సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్, మన యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్ కూడా SEO ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో లైక్ దట్ లెట్ మీ షో యూ SEO దేని దేనికి ఉంటుంది అనేది. అండ్ యూ కెన్ సీ ద బ్యాక్ లింక్స్ హియర్. So you can see the backlink for this naukri.com, 37,19,000 backlinks are there. Out of these backlinks, 3,85,000 are no follow links here. Okay. So here, let me show you. If you are searching something related to jobs, like digital marketing jobs, just scroll down, you can see Naukri is coming in top most position, first and second, both Naukri only. Okay, so ila malki ekku backlinks unnai kabatte Naukri is coming in top most position of Google. So they are having both on page SEO as well as off page SEO. Off page SEO lo creating the backlinks ante vere valla website lo మనం ఒక URL create చేసి ఆ URL ఎవరైనా క్లిక్ చేసి మన సైట్ కి వస్తే then it will consider as a backlink. Okay, these are the places we are going to create the backlinks. One is social media posting, social media comments, directory submissions, forum submission. ఇవన్నీ కూడా different places where we are going to create the backlinks for that particular page. ఏ పేజ్ అయితే మనం టాప్ మోస్ట్ పొజిషన్ కి రావాలనుకుంటున్నామో, దట్ టు ఫర్ విచ్ కీవర్డ్, ఏ కీవర్డ్ కి అయితే మనం SEO చేసి మనం టాప్ మోస్ట్ పొజిషన్ కి రావాలో ఆ పర్టికులర్ కీవర్డ్ కి మనం ఇక్కడ ఆన్ పేజ్ SEO అండ్ ఆఫ్ పేజ్ SEO చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ SEO is there for all the things. Websites ఉంటుంది. At the same time, as I told you yesterday, I told you Atukula Pokodi. So you can see our YouTube channel Way to Cook is coming in third place in Google search. Okay, at the same time, go to YouTube. YouTube లో కూడా మనకు సెర్చ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ సెర్చ్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా మన వీడియోస్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ కీవర్డ్ కి టాప్ మోస్ట్ పొజిషన్ కి రావాలి అంటే we need to do SEO for videos also. Okay, just search here. Okay, so you can see Way to Cook is coming in second place. At the same time, image code SEO ఉంటుంది. Go to image search. Image search లో you can see the same, our Way to Cook is coming in top first position. So when compared to all other websites, even Egg Maida Biscuits, Crispy Corn, these are all Way to Cook only. You can see Way to Cook, Way to Cook. Okay, సో ఇలా మనం SEO అనేది ఇమేజెస్ కి చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది, లేదా యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్ కి ఉంటుంది, సపరేట్ గా వెబ్సైట్స్ కి ఉంటుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఐ విల్ షో ఫర్ గూగుల్ మై బిజినెస్ లిస్టింగ్స్ ఆల్సో, లైక్ స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కోర్స్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ సర్చింగ్ ఫర్ స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కోర్స్, యూ కెన్ సీ ఫస్ట్ 3 ఇవి గూగుల్ మై బిజినెస్ లిస్టింగ్ అంటారు అన్నమాట వీటిని. ఓకే, సో దానికి కూడా మనం ఎస్ఈఓ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ వ్యూ ఆల్ అని కొట్టిన తర్వాత దెన్ గూగుల్ మ్యాప్స్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యి అక్కడ మనకు మిగతా అన్ని చూపిస్తుంది. గాట్ ఇట్? సో లైక్ దిస్ వీ హావ్ టు డూ ఎస్ఈఓ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద 4 థింగ్స్. I will teach you personally how to do SEO for websites and for YouTube videos, for Google My Business Listing and for images. So nalgiti kuda SEO ela cheyalo I'll tell you. So the basic concept in SEO is we have to do both on-page SEO and off-page SEO for the websites. First I'll go with the websites here. So whereas for off-page SEO, creating the backlinks or dinne link building ani kuda antaru anamata. Link building ante we have to put the links in multiple places. ఓకే, వేరే వెబ్సైట్స్ లో, అది సోషల్ మీడియా వెబ్సైట్స్ కావచ్చు, డైరెక్టరీ వెబ్సైట్స్ కావచ్చు, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఆర్టికల్ వెబ్సైట్స్. దేర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వెబ్సైట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఆన్లైన్. yes
Sir, can you please go on either in Hindi or English, sir?
Sorry, I can't get you.
Sir, could you take class in Hindi or English, sir?
Sure, definitely. Okay, so here you can see there are off-page SEO. There are 2 kinds of off-page SEO. One is do follow and no follow links. You have to go into create here. So do follow link will give huge impact on SEO page ranking, whereas no follow link won't give that much impact on SEO page ranking. But we need both do follow and no follow. So as I showed you here, for Naukri.com website, they have 37 lakh backlinks, and out of those 37 lakh backlinks, 3,85,000 backlinks are no follow links here. Okay, these links we can't create in a single day. Am I right? So if you want to do the SEO for our website and to make your website to come in topmost position of Google, it won't come in a single day. We have to do this work on daily basis. Okay, at least 3 to 6 months, minimum 3 to 6 months of time. That too depends upon the category of your website, and simultaneously depends upon the competition of the category and competition of the keyword also. There is a separate competition for the keyword as well. So it depends upon the competition of the keyword and competition of the category. It will take at least minimum of 3 to 6 months of time to make our website to come in topmost position of Google. As I showed you previously, so these are our clients. So go to here, and the GCS is our clients. So these people, we are doing SEO from past 1.5 years onwards for computer courses in Amirpet. So now they are coming in topmost position of Google. At the same time, their website is coming in first page of the Google. Okay, so once we took this project almost 1.5 years back, once we took this project, so they are not coming in top 30 pages. We manually check in top 30 pages, so the GCS is not coming anywhere. So later we start doing SEO, and we did SEO for on page and off page for the GCS website. Gradually the position is increasing. Okay, for their Google My Business Listing, already they are coming in topmost position, whereas their website is coming in first page. So if I'm keep doing the SEO for this particular client, gradually after few days they will come in topmost position here. Okay, so like this we have to do the SEO. So let me show you one by one practically. Okay, madam, no problem. So I will teach you everything step by step. So the technical terms also I will explain you what it is. Okay, and actually few people joined today. So few people came to the class today. Yesterday one class already completed. So this introduction class which I took yesterday, I will repeat it for you personally. So I think 4 more people connected today for the new. So the first class which you miss, I'll repeat the class again for you. Okay, we'll put some separate time, and that first class I'll repeat for you 4 people again. Okay, and then so first we will do social media posting. I'll tell you how to create a backlink in social media websites. We all knows what is social media websites. Just tell me some social media website names.
Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter.
Yes, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter,
Instagram.
these are all the social media sites. So I'll tell you how to do the backlink creation in social media sites. So let me open facebook.com. So most of the people, they are having accounts in Facebook. Am I right? So you are having accounts in Facebook or Instagram, some other social media platforms. Here, everybody knows how to post on Facebook. right? So mostly people will open their mobile app or they will open the Facebook account in website and they will go to this place. They will share some image here. So they'll choose the image or they'll share the text or they'll share the video. So everybody knows how to do the social media posting. Okay. But here we have to do in a proper way in order to get lot of visitors for your post. Okay. So let me show you. There are some particular timings are there to post on Facebook. Best time to post on Facebook. If you are searching with a keyword, best time to post on Facebook. Okay, you can see here, open any one of these websites. I'll show you what are the particular timings, especially to post on Facebook. So these are the global engagement. Engagement is nothing but getting the likes, views, comments, shares. These are all comes under engagements here in social media engagement. Okay. So if it is a global posting, these are the best time to post. Let us say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. And from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay. So the light color is with the lowest engagement and darker color is with highest engagement. So if you want to get highest engagement, like highest views, highest likes, shares or comments, you have to post on these particular dark color timings. So let us say Monday, if you're watching here from morning 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. So these three in between 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock is the best time to post on Facebook. Like that, each and every day have their own timings here. This is Facebook global engagement. Simultaneously for Instagram, this is the global engagement timings, and for Twitter also. So they are giving for Twitter here and LinkedIn, because these are the top most social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These are the main top most social media platforms. If you are scrolling down, there are separate categories are there. If you want to share something about the healthcare, something related to healthcare news, okay, these are the best times to post on Facebook for health related postings. For Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, almost afternoon, morning 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock is the best time to post in Facebook about the health related postings. Okay. Simultaneously for Instagram, there are separate timings for healthcare, and Twitter healthcare separate timings. Okay. Like that, we are having, if you want to share about the media, there are separate timings are there. For education, separate timings are there. So go through this one. Okay. Go through this report, and accordingly in these particular timings, we are going to do the postings in social media. Okay. Then I will show you how to do the postings properly here. Okay. Normally people will write the content and they will share, but this is not the way. So whatever the concepts, whatever the posting types are actually working for me, that things only I'm teaching you. Okay. So I'm not just blindly teaching you that this is the way you have to post like that, but what kind of words is actually helping for me, what kind of style of writing the post is actually helping for me, because I am into this digital marketing from past 12 years onwards. So I will keep do this work for my business. Okay. So I'm having my company with the Adya Info Solutions Private Limited and Adya Global Traders, and I have my own websites as well as YouTube channels. Okay. So what kind of post is actually working for me, which is giving better results for me, that kind of postings only I am teaching you here. Okay. So first what we will do, you have to post in profile. So there are different kinds of posting places are there in Facebook. Unlike other thing, if you want to go for Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn, just you can post in your profile itself. Whereas in Facebook, we are having different places to post. One is you can post in your profile page here. Okay. This is your profile. You are going to post here. Next thing, if you're having your own pages, okay, these are the pages for me. You can create a Facebook page with your business name. Okay. So Digital Srikanth, a property or so and so, these are all the pages. You can create a page and you can post in that page also. And third one, we can post in groups. We can join in multiple groups, and in those groups, we can make the postings. So I will show you how to do the postings in your profile or else in group. The style of creation of post will be the same. So let me show you in my profile here. Just click this one and it will ask you to share something here. So my intention is I want to do the SEO for my website. Okay, just open my website here. Okay, so digital Srikanth, for this digital Srikanth, I want to create a backlink, and that too, I want to create a backlink for the internal page. Okay, so first I'll go for some internal page. I'll go to the courses or blog. I have wrote a blog on blogging versus vlogging, which is good for earnings here. Okay, blogging is nothing but sharing the information to the public using website. Okay, using website, if you are sharing the information, that is called blogging. The same thing, sharing the information through videos like YouTube channel, that is called vlogging. We can earn money either blogging or vlogging. Okay, I am going to create a backlink for this particular post. So this is the separate internal page of my website. So this is my website, digitalsrikanth.com is my website, and this is an internal page of my website which is giving an information to the people about blogging versus vlogging, which is good for earnings. Okay, just copy this link, and this link I am going to share here. Before I'm going to share, I just want to write something about this post. So I'll write about blogging versus vlogging. Best earning ways. Okay, so I will personally write few lines here. So if I want to do Facebook posting, okay, social media posting, I will use a few lines. First line I am going to write about product or service. So first line I will write either about the product or service. So whatever we are going to share about that one, I'm going to write in the first line. Second line, if you are giving some offer or call to action, you are going to give for this one, like offer flat 50% of free shipping in case of e-commerce. In case of my website, I will go for call to action, offer or call to action. Call to action ante enti? What is call to action here? Call to action is nothing but apply now, book now, shop now, okay, learn more, call us. These kind of words are called call to action button. So we are giving that call to the customer to make some action on our particular post. Okay, so call to action. So here I'll go with watch or read more here. Okay, read more here or read here, something like that I'll put, and I'll give the link here. Okay, instead of sharing this big link, okay, this is my URL of that particular page. URL is nothing but the website URL. This is actually this one. I'm going to shorten. Why? Because in Facebook it's not a problem, whereas in case of Twitter, if I want to share something in Twitter, what will happen? Twitter is accepting only 160 characters limit. So more than 160 characters we can't able to type in that particular Twitter place. So if you're going for this link, digitalsrikanth.com/blogging versus vlogging / this kind of big link, if you are giving, this link itself will occupy a lot of space there. That is the reason I am just shorten the URL. Okay, that is called bit.ly.com or bit.ly. So bit.ly.com, if you're opening, bit.ly.com is a website which will be helpful to shorten the links here. Okay, just go to this place. You can copy the link, okay, and click on shorten button. So then the link got shortened. I'll copy this link, and this link I will add in Facebook. Okay, so like this I will minimize the link here. Okay, and third line, this is very important line here. Mostly as per the survey, as per the social media survey, whatever the posting you are doing, either in profile or either in page or either in group, the validity for this particular post will be maximum of 18 to 24 hours. That's it. After 18 hours or after 24 hours, your post won't display for your friends. Okay, what happened? Why it won't display for your friends? Anyway, some of your friends will keep share the postings in Facebook. Am I right? In that case, our post will come down and new postings will come in topmost position of our friend timeline, friend feeds here. Okay. So that is the reason. Mostly if you're having some 1,000 friends or 2,000 friends in your Facebook, maximum 18 hours is more than enough in order to reach those people. Okay. So once our post got reached to those people, after 18 hours, our post will go down. It won't display to any other person. So in order to increase the post engagements, okay, in order to increase the likes or shares or comments, I am using this third line very, very importantly. I'll use some words like tag someone who need this, okay, or else tag your friends who want this, or I'll go with comment yes if you like it, okay, etc. These kind of words I will use in third line, because if I'm giving this line, people will take some action on our post. Let us say that tag someone who need this, or tag some of your friends who like this, who want this. It means, let us say this is related to digital marketing posts. Okay, so some post I did for digital marketing, and while I make this post, some of my friend, okay, or else I saw this post in my timeline. So నేను Facebook open చేసినప్పుడు I saw the same post in my timeline, and if I am reading the third line, then what will come automatically, something will strike in my mind. Let us say that some of my friends, some name like Mahesh, he already asked me about the information on digital marketing, about the information on blogging or blogging. Okay, so then if I'm not reading this one, this line, I won't get the thought to tag my friend Mahesh, because I just came to the Facebook for entertainment purpose. Most of the people, why we are using Facebook we are using just for entertainment purpose, that's it. Okay, so whenever the people are coming to our Facebook for entertainment purpose, once they read that one, once they read this particular line, then only they will get an idea to tag their friends. Let us say that once I watched this post, I tagged my friend Mahesh. Okay, what will happen? Srikanth tagged Mahesh like that, it will go and reach all my friends, and then again it will go and reach all Mahesh friends also. Okay, it will show to the Mahesh friends, and the same will show to my friends. Imagine I'm having 2,000 members in my friends list. It will go and reach all my 2,000 members friend list. Out of these 2,000 people who are having my friends, if they took any action, if they click like button, or if they click on comment, something like that, or if they are tagging their friends, automatically our post will reach to my friends. Let us say Mahesh, if he did some action in my post, my post, this particular post will go and reach to Mahesh friends also. Like that, it will keep go to multiple people. Okay, here I am using tag someone who need this info. Okay, so like this I did one posting here. Okay, here I no need to add the image, because automatically the image has been taken from my website. Okay, so if the image is not coming, then in that case I will add the photo here, my own banner, I'll add it here. Okay, so what I will do, instead of making this text just like empty text, I will put some emojis which will give more attractive to the customer. Okay, if you want to add the images, you can directly click this image icon. Okay, and you can add the emojis directly here. So or else I will do, I'll go to one website called Get Emoji. Getemoji.com is a website where you can get all kinds of emojis here. Okay, so for example, I'll use right, and then go to this backhand pointing right. I'll copy this one from here, and I'll go to Facebook, and I will paste it in this place. Okay, then automatically read more here. So we are showing with the finger, this is the link like that. And simultaneously, I'll put some tick, check mark button. I'll copy this check mark button and I'll paste it in this particular place. Okay. Next, tag someone who need this. So I'm just who needs this info. So what I will do, I'll put something like Red Hat, because if you are sharing something to the people, which means you are just showing the caring or showing the love towards them. So just copy this one and I'll put tag someone who need this info. You can see now when compared to sharing with a normal text, if you're keeping some emojis, then the text will look somewhat attractive here. Okay. So now once it's done, what I will do, I'll click on post here. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. Click on post. That's it. Like this, we are going to make the posting in social media. It will look like this. And why I kept my link here, this is the link which will act as a backlink for me for my website. Okay. So whenever the people are watching this particular post, if they click on this link, they'll come to my website and it will act as a backlink. Google will treat it is a backlink. Okay. So like this, we have to do the postings in all social media. And let me show you for groups. Okay. If you want to reach the targeted audiences, okay, if you want to reach some target audiences, better I'll go to groups here, or else I will directly search here. Let us say if I want to share something related to weight loss. Okay. I want to share something about weight loss here. Okay. Just go to search and search with weight loss and click on enter. Facebook weight loss and search cheyandi. Go to groups here. You can see the groups here. So you don't want all these things, you want groups. Go to groups. These are all the groups which is related to weight loss. Okay. And this group is having 21,000 members. This group is having 3,44,000 members. Oh, sorry. Okay. So like this, we have multiple groups. So what we have to do, just go to this group, open this group and open this group. So in this group, I already joined. That's why it's showing directly here. Okay. So I can directly write the post here. Whereas in this group, it will ask me to join first. I can't directly write the post until and unless I'm joining into this group. So what we have to do, you have to go and join the groups which is related to us. Okay. Let us say that my business is related to some weight loss product or weight loss service. Okay. Or else my website is related to weight loss and I want to create a backlink for my website which is related to weight loss. In that case, what I will do, I'll go and join these kind of groups. This group is having 3,44,000 members. Okay. And you can see this group is having 21,000 members. First, you need to join in that group. Once you click on join group, that particular admin will get a notification. The owner of this particular group will get a notification and they will approve your account. Once you got approved, you can directly do the posting like this. Okay. So these two are the groups which I got already approved. So what you can do, just same thing, click on this, write a nice post here like which we did in my previous post, add an image and click on post. So once you click on post, this post will go and reach all these members in that group. So almost 3,44,000 our post will go and reach here. So like this, we have to share the links in multiple places. Okay. Facebook profile and Facebook groups, Facebook pages, and even in Twitter. Let me show you. Let me open the Twitter here. So open a free account in Twitter. I hope most of the people, they won't have Twitter accounts. So Facebook, everybody will have Facebook, but Twitter, most of the higher officials only will use the Twitter. Okay. So go to sign in. I'm going to sign in with my account here. So this is the Twitter account belongs to Digital Srikanth. Okay. If I want to write the post about my website, I'm going to write here. Okay. So for example, learn digital marketing online at home. Second thing, enroll here. I'll put the link here. Third one, in the third line, instead of going for tag someone who need this, comment just you like this, because there is no tag option in Twitter. Twitter lo tag option ఉండదు. So in that case, what we'll do, there is an option in Twitter called retweet. You can see this is the retweet option, retweet. So 522 people retweeted this post. So what we will do, please retweet. Like this, I'll write here, okay? And enroll here, I'll go for bit.ly URL. You can open a free account in bit.ly. You can click sign up and you can create a free account also. Also, if you don't want account, you can do the link here. Let me open the digital marketing course and I'll copy this link. Okay, I'll paste the link here. Click on shorten and I got the shorten URL. Copy this one, go to Twitter and paste it here. Okay, so learn digital marketing online at the home and enroll here, so and so. Here, especially for Twitter or Instagram, mostly hashtags we have to use. Hashtags in the sense, let me show you here. I will write some hashtags here. Hash, automatically in dropdown it will come hashtags, digital marketing, then hash, social media manager, hash, SEO. We'll see whether yes, SEO is there. Almost related to SEO, 1360 tweets in last 1 hour. Okay. So like this, we have to give some hashtags also, which is relevant for our post. Okay. Passive income, because by using digital marketing, we can earn passive income. You know what is passive income? How many of you know what is passive income and what is active income? So whenever you are actually working, then the income will come. Let us say in case of job or whatever it is, whenever you are actually working, then only the income will come. If you stop doing the work, your income will stop here. That is called active income. Okay, let me show you. If you let me say, if you are working for a company and the company people are paying around 50,000 salary for you, okay, you gave a nice dedicated, you are the dedicated employee in that company and you got employee of the year award also. From past 2 years, you are doing your full effort for that company. Okay, and every month they are paying 50,000 salary for you. Imagine after 2 years, you can't able to go to office for 2 months or 3 months continuously. Okay, if you are not working for the company for those 2 months, whether they are going to pay the salary for you, whether is there any other company is there, even though you are not working for that company, whether they will pay the salary for you, because you already did 2 years work for that company, right? Nobody will give here, am I right? So that is called active income. Whenever you stop doing the work, your income will stop. Whereas here, you can get chance to earn money online using passive income methods. Passive income in the sense, whatever the work you did in past 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, even if you stop doing the work for few days or few months, income won't stop for you. You will get the income also here. Okay. So let us say that even if I stop doing the work, my websites are keep working. My YouTube videos are keep working. Even though while I'm sleeping, a lot of people are watching my websites and I'm getting money from my website. A lot of people are watching my YouTube videos. I'm getting the money through my YouTube videos. So as Warren Buffett said, you know Warren Buffett? Warren Buffett tells and Miku, one of the successful businessmen, you know what he said? If you are not finding a way to earn money while you are sleeping, you have to work lifelong. మనం నిద్రపోయే టైంలో కూడా డబ్బులు సంపాదించే మార్గాన్ని కనిపెట్టలేకపోతే జీవితాంతం కష్టపడాల్సిందే. That's what actually he said. So you have to find a way to generate the income even though you are sleeping. So while you are sleeping, the income has to generate for you on autopilot mode. That kind of income opportunity is available in online only. Okay, I'll teach you that also how to generate the money online on step-by-step process. So using blogging or using vlogging, I'll show you top bloggers in India and their earnings. These are all the top bloggers in India who choose blogging as the career, as a part-time or full-time. Even I am a part-time blogger. I am not doing this as a full-time. Okay. So these are all the people who choose blogging as the career and they are getting around this much of dollars per month. Amit Agarwal is running a website called labna.org and he is getting $60,000 per month. These are all the Indian bloggers who are earning some thousands of dollars by doing nothing. They are not doing anything now. Whatever the work they did in the past, it's keep getting the money for that particular people. Even though they are not stopping that work, they keep continuing that work. Okay, whenever you are keep continuing, the income will increase for you. Okay, the same thing, either 1 hour, say 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, if you work for this blogging, damn sure you will also can generate the money like this. Okay, but not 60,000, at least $1,000 per month, $2,000 per month in initial stage. Okay, so if you are working continuously for 1 year, damn sure you will get $1,000 per month. Okay, if you keep doing that work again and again, the income will increase for you. Okay, I will teach you how to do all these works step by step once we completed these topics. Okay, so go to Twitter, and this is the post I did, and even I will try to put some emojis here also. So enroll here, I'll go with get emoji, same with the right, the hand pointing right finger. Okay, I'll go with right here, click on enter. I'll go to the backhand indexing point, right? Copy this one and paste it here. Okay, same like digital marketing course, like this. Whatever the thing you want, you can put some emojis here, and you have to add the image also here, media file. I'm going to add the image file here. Just go to Digital Srikanth and go to the banners. I'll add some banner here. Let me add some banner. Okay. Okay, I'll add this banner. Click here. Okay. I did this banner. Okay, showing full length, no problem. And then click on tweet here. That's it, your tweet got posted here. Okay, so learn digital marketing course online at home and enroll here. Here I can see the link here. Whenever the people are clicking this link here, they'll directly come to that particular landing page. Okay, of my website. Let's see, they came to the digital marketing course website page. Okay, they can click to add to cart and they can purchase the course here directly. So like this, we can create a backlinks using social media postings. Okay, so this kind of backlink will consider as no follow link. Okay, so social media posting and social media comments, these two will consider as a no follow links. Okay, do follow link and no follow link, both are important as I told you. So whatever the links we are sharing in social media, or whatever the links you are sharing through social media comments, those are all comes under no follow links only. Okay, next I'll tell you how to do social media comments. Okay, how to make social media comments. In this case, just go to Facebook and search with something related to weight loss or digital marketing, whatever it is. Just go to posts. Once you search in Facebook with the same keyword, go to posts. You can see a lot of posts related to this one. Okay, related to weight loss. What you have to do, already 7 comments are there in this post. Go to comment and try to write your own comment here. Okay, let us say that if I want to promote some product related to weight loss, or if I want to promote some service related to weight loss, I too will write the comment, and my main intention is I have to give the link to which is related to my website. For which page I want to do the website, for which page I want to do the SEO, that particular page link I have to post it in that comment. Okay, so let me show you here. While writing the comments, mostly under go to comments under rasaru. We know that how to write the comments here. Okay, we know how to write the comments in Facebook. We know how to write the comments in YouTube. Okay, in YouTube also, a lot of people, they are writing comments. I'll show here itself. Okay, we know how to write the comments here, but normally I too write the comments in a normal way previously, but I will keep researching online. So what kind of content is working for me in the comments, or what kind of content is not working for me? So I will keep track. So whatever the style of writing the content in comments is working for me, that things only I'm teaching you here again. So normally if you are on to write the comments, what you will write? you will write something about the post here. Am I right? Or else if your intention is you want to promote the link here, you want to put your website URL here. In that case, if you want to promote a service or product which is related to weight loss, in that case, what you will do? People will go for, hi, just go through this link. If you want to check how to lose the weight or how to reduce the weight, like that, some people will write the comment. Okay. You can see this person also, a product to lose weight in quick time and a beautiful body. Buy the product and get the discount, free delivery, so and so, like that he did. Okay. So these kind of comments won't work properly. I tested so many years onwards. Okay, I have been testing from so many years onwards. Writing this kind of style of comment is not at all giving the clicks for my website here. Our intention is the people who are reading the comments of this post, they have to click on that link and they have to come to your product page or your website here. Okay. What you have to do, how to write the comment. So in this case, a product is so and so, he is just trying to sell the product to us. The content is showing that he is promoting some product, a product to lose weight. So buy the product and get discount, like that he's saying. It's not at all advisable to write the comment in promotional mode, promotional way. Don't write the comment in promotional way. So first what you have to do, we have to write the comment in either information way or suggestion way. We are just giving the suggestion to the people, or we are going to give the information for the people. So you know what I will do? If I want to write the comment which is related to weight loss product, I will write a comment like, first I will appreciate with this particular post. Okay. Or else what they did, first I'll read, weight loss is a very big challenge. So I used to, and I focused so and so, so and so, I have reduced the weight, like that. She put one comment. So what I will do, first I have to appreciate her. Okay. Congratulations. Okay. First, I'm just congratulating her for reducing the weight. You got good results. Or congratulations on getting good results. So first I'm just writing something about that particular post. Then recently I came across one of the website or one of the blog posts which helps me to reduce weight. Okay. Or I recently came across one of the websites which helps me to reduce weight 45 lbs in just 2 weeks. You can check that website here. And I have to give the link here. So I'll give that particular link here. Okay. This is where I will write the comment. So if you are writing the comment in this way, damn sure the people will click on that link and they'll come to that particular web page. So why? Because psychologically, if one person is getting benefit, damn sure the people also will try to use the product. Or if you are referring some product, or if you are suggesting some product, first the people will get doubt. What doubt? Whether you reduce the weight, this is what the people will ask. If you are saying this is the best product, if you want to reduce weight, use this product, like that, then damn sure first they will ask whether you use the product, like that. So that is the reason I am writing the comment here, just to convince the reader of that comment, which makes him to click on my link here. Okay. So recently I came across one of the website which helps me to reduce my weight of 45 lbs in just 2 weeks. You can check that website here, like that. I put the comment and here I'll leave my URL here. So let me take some of my website URL, like bitly.com. I log into my website to my Bitly account. I'm having an account in Bitly. So why you want to open the Bitly account? If you want to track how many clicks came for your links, in that case you can create a free account in Bitly and you can track how many clicks came for your links. Okay. So Instagram I don't want, YouTube don't want, e-commerce, Twitter, login. keto diet video. Okay. So okay, then I'll give this keto diet recipe video. I can copy this link and I'll paste the link here. Okay. And then I'll click enter. Okay. Congratulations on reducing your weight, so and so, like that comment came. So whenever the people are clicking this link, they'll directly go to that particular keto diet related video. So if they click this link, they'll directly go to that particular product page. Okay. If they click on get my keto diet, custom keto diet, the product price, everything will display for them. If you purchase the product, I'll get the commission because I'm an affiliate marketer for this product. I am just promoting this particular product. So whenever the people are purchasing this product, I'll get the commission. Okay, I'll show you how we can do all these things. Okay, so this is where we are going to write the comment. Same thing in YouTube also. In YouTube also, just I'll search with weight loss. And you can see a lot of videos will come related to weight loss here. Okay, just scroll down. These are all the videos which is related to weight loss. 8.8 million views and it's counting. 996K views and it's counting. Just open any one of this video. Either of video open cheyandi. No need to watch the video. Okay, no need to watch this video. Just scroll down to the comments column. And I am going to write the comment in this video. Okay. So one thing you have to remember, this is not your own video. This is some other people's video. So if you are writing the comment in a promotional way or something like that, the chances is there that that particular video owner will delete your comment. They are having the rights to delete your comment. So in order to make him not to delete your comment, what we will do, I will write a comment. Nice, thanks for sharing. Nice tips for weight loss. Okay, just we are saying that nice video and thanks for sharing, something like that. And this is what they won't remove the comment here because we are just giving the price for that particular video. We are just pricing them, so they won't remove this comment. Next line, what you will do, same thing. I too struggle to reduce weight from so many years onwards and tried lots of products too, but nothing worked. And nothing worked. Products too and nothing. But recently I came across one of the website which helps me to reduce my weight 45 lbs in just few weeks. You can check that website here. That you can leave the link. Okay, so you have to write the comment here. So try to don't copy and paste the comments. Whatever the content you are having, don't copy and paste. Don't copy and paste. Try to write a nice comment. Okay, just try to change a little bit of content here. Okay, so here I have wrote about thanks for sharing nice tips for weight loss. I too struggled so and so because I too struggled from so many years onwards, and laterly I found a solution for this one. I am just sharing the solution which I got to the people. Now I click on comment. So my comment automatically will post to this particular place. 1 second ago, my comment had posted. So later on, from here onwards, whenever the people are watching this video, if they are going to comment section and reading the comments, they too will read my comment. Chances is there that they'll click my link and they'll go to that particular page. Okay. So like this, we have to keep share the links using social media postings and social media comments. Okay, so these links will not only will give the traffic for your website. Traffic is nothing but the visitors. Okay, these links will not only give the visitors for your website, that to relevant visitors, because we are going to post social media posting or social media commenting in a particular video which is relevant for our product or relevant for our service. So relevant for our website, we are going to do this one. Okay, so if you know only these off-page SEO techniques, you can earn a lot of money using these techniques. If you know only off-page SEO, there are a lot of ways are there where you can earn a lot of money using these techniques. Okay, the techniques is called, there is one more, there is a method in online to generate the income, that is called affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is there. So whenever the people are promoting some product, that particular website will pay the commission for us. Affiliate marketing is nothing but promoting some other people products are getting the commission here. Okay, you can tie up with few websites like Amazon Associates to promote the Amazon products. Okay, if you want to promote the Amazon products, you can tie up with Amazon Associates. You can see here, recommend products and add advertising fees. You can earn money from Amazon. Just sign up for free of cost with this account and then promote the Amazon products to the people using your blog or whatever it is, through social media, whatever the platform. Okay, individual bloggers, social media influencers, and whenever the people are purchasing the product using your link, you will get the commission up to 10% of the particular product price. Okay, just you can sign up here and click sign in. I will show you how this dashboard will look like. So this is how the dashboard will look like for Amazon Associates. Okay, just scroll down, I'll show you. Advertising fees. So for each and every category, they have separate advertising fees. If you are promoting kitchen appliances, you'll get 9% commission. If you're promoting furniture, again 9%. If you're promoting groceries, groceries not required. So mostly you have to promote either gadgets, appliances, and problem solving products, because these are the products people, before they are going to buy, they will find the reviews first. So if you want to purchase the mobile phone, what you will do, whether you will directly blindly go to Amazon and purchase, or else what you will do, we will go to the reviews and you will see which product is nice. Okay, we will go to Google best washing machines in 2021. Let me show you. If I want to purchase washing machine, I will search with the best, because everybody wants to purchase the best product today. So they will search in best washing machines in India 2021. You can see these are all the websites which are related to best washing machine. So this is a blog he wrote about washing machines. Once you open this, the people will come to this page, they will open the website link, and whenever they are reading the blog post, they will find the best washing machines here. So once they click on buy on Amazon, they will directly go to Amazon product page. Whenever the person is purchasing the product, that website owner will get the commission here. Okay, this is one way. Second thing is, if you're having a YouTube channel, you can create a nice video which is related to best washing machines in 2021. I'll search with the same keyword. Okay, you can check here. This is the person who posted this video 7 months ago and 1 month ago and 4 months ago. These are all the different people. So just open any one of this video. So mostly the people who are searching with this keyword, they're likely to open the videos which is coming in topmost position, right? So we have to do the SEO for our videos to make our video to come in topmost position. Once our video is coming in topmost position, a lot of people will keep search with the keyword and they will see your videos here. And you can check the search volume is high for this particular keyword, best washing machine 2021. Most of 15% of the people are searching for this keyword, whereas competition is low. So we too can try to do the video on this particular keyword. Okay, so why I am getting all these information, why you are not getting here, I'll show you how to get all these information. Okay, because we are going to do the research and then we are going to work here. So just I'll show you this video.
Semi-automatic या फिर fully automatic.
Just scroll down, go to his description. You can see these are all the Amazon links. Amazon. Okay. So whenever the people are clicking this link, they'll directly go to that Amazon product page. If they purchase the product, we'll get the commission. Okay. So normally, whatever the product I want to promote here, as I already log into my Amazon Associates account here, okay, I got an additional Amazon Associates site ship. So let us say if I want to promote this product, like this laptop I want to promote, okay, I'll open this laptop. This is the product page of that laptop. Okay, so like, okay, this is the one. Let me show you if this is the product I want to promote. Okay, this laptop I am planning to promote. So I'll go to this particular product page in the Amazon. I'll click on get link here. Once I click on get link, I will get the Amazon referral link, my unique referral link. Okay, my store ID is Ultimate Buzzer. So Ultimate Buzzer, like that shortcut Ultimate Buzzer I put. If you see the full link, tag is equal to Ultimate Buzzer. So whenever the people are using this link to purchase the Amazon product, Amazon will pay the commission for me. Like this person also will get the commission from Amazon. So the average price of Amazon washing machine price, average price of washing machine in Amazon is, make it as around 20,000. Okay. So 20,000 the people will spend to purchase the washing machine here. Okay. Into for washing machine, how much Amazon is paying the commission? 9% they are paying the commission. Okay. Into 0.09. So which means if anybody is purchasing the washing machine with our referral link, we will get 1,800 rupees from Amazon. Okay. So then see here, how many views this person got for his video? 1,97,817 views. Okay. 1,97,817 views he got for this video. Into here, make as 1% conversion rate. 1% in the sense, out of 100 members who are watching this video, only 1% only purchase the product using his link. Why? Because whoever is watching this video, all the people won't come to the description and click this link, right? Only few people will come to the description, they'll click the list. So whenever the people are clicking the link and going to Amazon website, all the people won't purchase the product. Only few people only will purchase the product. So out of 100 people who are watching this video, only 1% only purchase the product here. So which means 0.01. This person got 1,978 orders. He might get 1,798 orders. 1978 into per order, how much approximately he will get? Around 1,800 he will get. So this is the amount which he might get from Amazon. 35,60,000 is the amount which he might get from Amazon from this video. Okay. So let us say he is getting 0.5% commission. So sorry, 0.5% conversion rate. Conversion rate in the sense, out of 200 people who are watching this video, only 1% purchased. Divided by 2, half of the amount, 17 lakhs. Or else out of 400 people, 0.25% conversion rate. Out of 400 people who is watching his video, in that only 1% purchase the product. He might get around 8 lakhs in the span of just 7 months. Okay. So like this, we can earn lots of amount through online if you know the digital marketing skills properly. So don't worry, I will teach you personally how to create the videos, how to edit the videos, and how to do the SEO for your videos, or how to do the blogging. Everything I'll explain you. How to make the videos like this. And you don't want to show your face also, don't worry, because some people, they don't want to like to show their face. You don't want to show any face. There is some shortcuts are there where you can find the videos which is already available in internet. We can download that videos, because you can find those videos which are not having the copyrights. Okay, we can find some of the videos which are not having copyrights. We can use that videos. we can reuse that videos and we can make our own video here and we can do the SEO for our video. So 1 hour you're doing the SEO, and after a few months, if our video is also coming in topmost position of Google like this, we will get the visitors. More the visitors are watching your video, more the sales will get for you. Okay. So if you want to promote some other people's product to generate the income, backlink creation is also one of the best way to generate the sales and to get the income here. So one of the best way to earn money online. Okay. So try to do more and more practice here. So practice is very, very important in digital marketing. You must have to do the practice in order to remember this work. If you are not doing practice, damn sure you will forget how to do this work. Every day, whenever I am saying the class, after completion of the class, try to spend at least half an hour to 1 hour of time. Okay, at least 1 hour. Try to spend at least 1 hour to do the practice of that particular work. ఈ వర్క్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా టైం స్పెండ్ చేయండి. Got it? So do you have any doubts in today's class? How to do social media posting and how to do social media comments? Nobody is having doubts? ఎవరికే డౌట్స్ లేవండి? Just tell me, do you have any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to do the practice. 1 hour you are doing the practice, damn sure some doubts will come for you. Okay. So, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday, so there is no classes for us. So Monday to Friday only classes for us. Try to do more practice on social media posting and social media comments. And if you want to get small tips, because in my these 12 years of my digital marketing journey, I found more than 100 plus ways to earn money online. Okay. But in digital marketing, I can explain you only how to do the digital marketing for your business, or how to do the digital marketing for some other people business, and how to get the job, or how to increase your business, how to do the earnings in online. These things only I can explain you, but I can't say all the 100 ways here. So that is the reason I have started this digital marketing, Digital Srikanth YouTube channel, so that I'm going to put completely remaining online earning methods in that YouTube channel. So just follow my channel, and in future also you can able to find some information related to online earnings, how to earn money online just by sitting in front of the PC at your house. Okay, so you don't want to do all these things. Just by sitting in front of the PC you can generate the income. Nowadays, frankly to say, generating the income is very, very, very easy. So past few years back, మన ఫాదర్స్ టైంలో అంటే మన ఫాదర్స్ టైంలో ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 30 years or 35 years back or 20 years back, what will happen? There are only few sources of income methods. ఒకటి job, next one is business, and next agriculture. These are the main source of earning opportunities. Apart from that, there is nothing is there. But now the things got changed. This is 2021, 21st generation. So we are having a multiple ways to generate the income just by sitting in your house. You don't want to go outside also. There are already lots of people who are earning some lakhs of rupees per month, including me. I already show you my proofs in demo video. So anyway, in our ongoing classes, I'll show you few more proofs also. So how much I am earning, everything. Okay. So try to do the practice on this backlink creation methods. So one by one, I'll clearly explain you, because SEO is very, very, very important.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, without any website, we
Okay.
can do. I have a business actually, laptops and desktop business.
Okay.
So
very good.
without any website, we can do the business in
Online.
Facebook online. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Yeah, we can do. You don't want any website here. So there is few things are there. There are few things where you can create a small landing page completely for free of cost, where you can show
Okay.
your information, just your product information, or else your phone number, because you want the leads. If you want to sell
Yes,
the
yes.
laptop,
Lead generation.
you want to
I
get
want
lot of
only
leads.
leads.
Exactly.
Yes, yes, yes.
So for your business, you can generate the leads without having any website also. I'll teach you how to do all these works. Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Website is not mandatory. So, but in case in future, if you want to develop in future, just my suggestion is try to go with a website. Okay. but not
Okay.
now. So whenever the business is coming for you, then you can go with the website.
Website.
And one
website.
more thing, so if any of you are into the business field, or if any of you are having a thought to start a new business, just a second.
Okay.
If any of you are having your own business, or if any of you are having a thought to start your own business, my suggestion is don't invest more money for your business. I will always suggest to my people, my friends, or my family members, or for my students, try to start the business as much low as you can. Even with zero investment, also nowadays you can start the business like online business. Okay. Whenever you are getting ROI, return on investment, then try to put the amount there. Okay. Because a lot of students, actually, I saw most of my students, they already started some business and they lost a lot of lakhs of rupees also. So my suggestion is, if you really want to get success in business, don't invest money in starting. Okay, whenever you are getting ROI, means return on investment, then only you have to invest the money for your business expansion, not for the business establishment. Okay, in that also, let us say if you're having a budget of 50,000 or 1 lakh, try to spend only 30 to 40% for the product and 60% for the marketing, because marketing is very important. Let me ask you a few questions here. One small question before I'm going to close this session. If you want to purchase the toothbrush, if you want to purchase the toothpaste, which toothpaste company will come your mind first? మీరు టూత్పేస్ట్ కొనాలి అనుకున్నప్పుడు మీ మైండ్ లోకి ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రైక్ అయ్యే టూత్పేస్ట్, which toothpaste company will strike in your mind first? Colgate. Why? Obviously Colgate. Why Colgate? There are a lot of toothpaste are there, like Close Up, Sibaka, everything. That's
Because
what the brand.
it is very old brand.
Yes. Here one more thing I'll tell you. If one girl wants to, if a girl wants to purchase fairness cream, which fairness cream will come in her mind first?
Fair and Lovely, I think.
Yeah, Fair and Lovely. So why? Because they are having the brand.
Yes.
Jo dikhta hai, abhi bikhta here. Okay, more the times you are showing, people will likely to purchase that product only. So only through marketing we will get these kind of benefits. Okay, so people are injecting their product into our mind with this marketing only. So nowadays social media is the best media platform to get the brand awareness. Okay, so try to do the practice here. So try to do the practice on daily basis. So don't postpone the work. Okay, try to do the social media posting and social media comments in the way how I told you. Okay, and the next class we will go with the direct submission, forum submission, what is these websites and how we are going to work with these websites. Okay, so these are the work. Yes, tell me.
Sir, the name of the question.
Okay,
Yeah,
your voice is breaking. Okay, after the class I'll call you, Hari. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay then. Okay, so we'll see you in next class. So don't forget to do the practice. Okay, I'll share this video within the 15 minutes or 20 minutes of time. I'll upload it and I'll share you to all your WhatsApp number. Just download this today's video and try to do the practice here, because these are all the works which we are going to do for our website. Yes.
Every video will you share with us?
Yes. Every class video I will share with you people, because this video will be helpful for you in future. And even if you have any doubts, this will be very helpful. And one thing I'll tell you, even after the classes also, feel free to contact me at any time. I will be your mentor always. I will make you to get success in your digital career. Okay, one thing. And second thing, each and every 6 months, mostly every 6 months once, I will put the get together for all my students. All the students who got trained from me, I'll put a separate get together. So I'll take care of the financial matter. I'll take some hotel and I'll take some seminar hall there. I'll put the get together. All my students will come to the get together, because I don't want to lose the relationship with my students. First thing. Second thing, internet is rapidly growing. Okay, so day by day the updates are keep coming. So whatever the new techniques I found in these 6 months, I'm going to share that knowledge in that seminar with my friends, with my students. And simultaneously those seminar will be helpful for you peoples also to get lot of contacts. Okay, business is nothing but cash with contacts. Contacts are very important, because there are different profile people are there in my classes. Like I gave training for police department people, I gave training for engineering college faculties or students or doctors or even the businessmen. Okay, different profile people are there. So all the people will come to that get together. So it will be helpful for you to increase your contacts also. Okay, this is what actually we are doing on every year. So in 2020, we didn't put the get together because of this COVID situation. Once this issue got cleared, then immediately we are planning to put the get together. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Okay, guys. So see you in next class. Have a nice weekend. Good night. Have a nice sleep.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.